Now we will discuss about the next ruler of Mughal dynasty, that is Humayun. Humayun was the elder son of Babur. Humayun became the ruler of Mughal kingdom in 1530. There was a practice in Mughal dynasty that no elder son will be the ruler of the kingdom. Mughals did not follow the practice of primogeniture. Primogeniture means the practice of succeeding of the eldest son to the throne. मुगल्स में ऐसी कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं थी बेटा, ऐसी कोई ये प्रथा नहीं थी कि भी जो एल्डेस्ट सन होता है वही थ्रोन को सक्सीड करेगा, ऐसा उनमें नहीं था. जो किंगडम था होता था एक रूलर का, उसके सारे जो सन थे उनमें वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया जाता था. ऐसा ही बाबर का जो किंगडम था उस केस में हुआ. हुमायूं सक्सीडेड बाबर इन 1530. He divided the kingdom with his brother Kamran. He gave some provinces in the kingdom to his brother Kamran. But after some time, Humayun's brother Kamran revolted against him. He made a conspiracy to overthrow Humayun. There was a revolt in Jaunpur and Bihar at that time against Humayun. So the situation was not very good for Humayun during his ruling period. In the early period of his ruling, there was many revolt against him from his brother and other in Jaunpur and Bihar. In Jaunpur from an Afghan ruler who was known as Sher Khan. An Afghan ruler from Jaunpur challenged the supremacy of the Mughal rulers. He defeated Humayun in the Battle of Chausa in 1539. Humayun again engaged with Sher Shah Suri in the Battle of Kannauj in 1540. But Humayun was again defeated by Sher Shah Suri. So now the Sher Shah Suri was an undisputed ruler of India. He ruled India from 1540 to 1545.